What did you just do?
I just bought an E36.
You just bought an E36. Enjoy it. What's happening, everyone? Got one of the other E36s behind me. So obviously we've got some front end damage, but I'll show you guys that in a second. 328i, and it has been sitting for a very, very long time. To be honest, it's not as bad as I was expecting. I thought it was going to be absolutely crushed from the front end. I thought it was going to be rotten, kind of like, well, not saying the purple one was rotten, but if you have a look at these arches in comparison to the other ones, these are actually pretty nice. So I mean, don't get me wrong, you've got a tiny little bit there, got a little bit back here, but in terms of the actual arches, they're really not that bad. Typical thing with these roofs is they get worn down and they leak pretty bad. So if you have a look at this one, you can see here, although this hasn't gone through here, it's worn down quite a bit. Same situation over here, but these are actually quite bad for splitting the seals at the front here. Strong window, not like the purple one. But yeah, if you can see here, we've got holes that go right the way through. Right, in here we've got basic standard interior. It's a manual. It's also got the trip computer, which you don't see very often. It's not looking too great on the inside. I think this grey interior could actually look quite nice if it was all cleaned up. I don't know why, I'm just kind of liking the grey with the lighter grey inserts. I think it looks pretty cool. This is actually bad news. The fact that I'm kind of liking this car is not good, because it means that the initial plan to take the engine out of this and put it into the tourer might have gone out the window. So the damage was on the front end. Now, like I said, I thought it was much worse than what it is, but let's see what you guys think. So, if you look at this corner, brand new. Come around here, and you've got a little dent here. Still got the original amber corner lights, which Chris Saint actually wanted to take off me, but now that I don't know what I want to do with this car, I'm not sure if I want to give them to him. So he might be a bit upset with me with that. Alright guys, we're back the next day. I put the battery on charge on the E36 overnight, so I've just put it back in, so it works. At least the car locks and stuff now, so I've not started it though, it's not got an exhaust. It unlocks at some point. Okay, do we get any lights? Hey, right, okay, we've got something, no fuel as well. Typical. Right. I wonder how loud this is going to be. Oh my days! Me and him are going to be cleaning out the interior today. So, Mohsen actually had an intake lying about off of a compact. It was just lying about, so I'll see if maybe I can get that to work on this one and tidy that up in the engine bay a bit. But we're going to give the interior a full valet. We're going to extract the carpets, give it a good hoover, steam clean all the plastics. So another thing that I never showed you guys, on the 123D, I've actually fitted a new set of wheels on it. There we go. So I actually think that looks so much better. Right, now this is the state of what we're working with today. So yeah, it is disgusting. Like, have a look at this. It just sat for like 3 years. I have no idea where, but the roof just totally destroyed itself and it's absolutely filthy. So we've got mould almost on every surface. Hard day's work, but we're going to take the seats out, remove the back bench, and that'll give us good access to the carpet. I think Mohsen's going to do the carpet today. I'll probably just do the steaming, and then we can try and see if that airbox will fit in here. I've already managed to actually source a bonnet and a front bumper for this, So that's 2 things off the list, and now all I need is I need the nose cone and I need the wing. Once I've got them, then that's the full front end sorted. That's that done, and it'll be ready for paint. Should be a really nice car by the time we're finished with it. Let's get to work. Okay, so full interior has been hoovered. Got as much of the interior out of the car as I wanted to. So we've got rear bench here ready to be steam cleaned, passenger seat, driver's seat, carpet. So yeah, it's going all right. He's been at that for ages, but it's actually incredible the amount of dirt that's stuck in the carpet. It's just every single pass is just pulling up more and more dirt. So you want to keep on doing that until the water starts coming up clear. Once the water starts coming up clear, then you can just focus on just getting as much of the moisture out of the carpet as possible. We'll crack on, see how far we get. Right, here we go. This is all the disgusting water that was extracted out of the carpets and mats. Right, pour it out, let's see what we've got. Oh, that is disgusting. Oh, that is minging. Chug it, get rid of it. Oh! Oh no, that is horrible. Have a look at that. This is starting to look really good. Steam cleaner is an absolute lifesaver. Beforehand there was a build-up of mold here as well, all gone. This was disgusting in here. These are all clean. Handbrake's nice and clean. Look at that. And this steering wheel had mold down the bottom of it, over the top of it. Looks fantastic. That door card, I'm really impressed with that as well. So yeah, this side's all done. Got this side to do, got this rear backrest to do, and back here too. Just still got all of this down here. Yeah. Once all that's done, this car's actually quite a nice place to sit in. So, catch up with you guys once everything's done. We've got everything back together. I'll let you guys see the final product. Okay, interior is done. That was quite the challenge, a bit harder than we were really expecting. The driver's side footwell was filthy, and as much as Mohsen kept on going at it with the extractor, just kept on pulling up dirty water. So managed to persevere, get it all done. The front seats are in, now that the sort of dirt and moulds off of them, you can see the honest condition of them. They're not in very good condition, but overall the interior looks brilliant. So have a look at this. Now that looks so much better than it did before. There's mold down there. That seat was disgusting. These were covered in it, but all gone. And then if we look in the back, there we go. Clean carpets, clean panels, rear bench is spotless. It's turned out so well. Now that's done, let's have a look. We'll see if that airbox will fit. So, right, get this up. Okay, so we've got two mounts there and a wee sort of mount there as well to support them. It looks like we have similar on this, so we've got two there and a wee support one down there. So let's see if this does the job. There we go. That's brilliant. I'll just find some bolts, hold this in place. Need a clamp there, I'm pretty sure Aaron will have them, so that'll be alright. Right, well, now that that's done, I'm happy with today's progress. It's quite a fair bit of work, but this car, it needs it. It's 1, 2, 3, like I said. With that, we've got the wheels on, so all it really needs now is the front bumper, but if the car sells beforehand, then it sells. I'm not too bothered. I've done everything I wanted to do with this one. So the focus is mainly on the 328i. Hey guys, back in the house editing the video, realised it's a wee bit all over the place. Not 100% happy with it, however the reason why is because at the moment I'm not doing a lot of videos, I'm not doing a lot of recording, and the reason for that is because at the moment it's Ramadan, so try to focus mainly on my fasting and basically everything else that comes along with that. On top of that, I'm coming towards the sort of last couple months of my college course, so I've got a lot of work to do and a lot of stuff that I need to try and catch up on, so I've been very busy. I'm going to try and get things to become a bit more regular once I've caught up with my work, and after Ramadan finishes we can get some better videos, better stuff going on. I'm happy with the progress with the 328 at the moment. We've got quite a bit of parts in for that, so that should be coming together pretty soon. On top of that, I'm actually going to be pulling the E32 out of storage because the weather's getting better and I want to enjoy that car. I've owned it since 2019. It's coming up 3 years that I've owned that car, and I've driven it for one summer, so yeah, it kind of deserves a bit of love.
But anyways, thank you so much for sticking to the end of today's video. Peace out. We'll catch you on the next one.